Hi, this is Dominic. I'm alongside Gavin, my roommate. This is Alumni Court South. Come on inside and take a look. This is the first floor Alumni Court South Lounge. Students will come down here to gather. We'll have Super Bowl parties in here, pizza parties, everything to donuts in the morning. So students can come here, they can print their work. There's vending machines in the back, a communal kitchen. It's kind of where people can come together and make things happen. In the basement of Alumni, you can find the laundry room where students can do their laundry for free. This is an Alumni Court South double. I have one roommate. Let's come on in. The room is set up, there's two twin beds, twin XL beds actually, two desks, two dressers. We each get our own closet. Many dorm rooms will have wall art and stuff. We didn't want to go for that look. We wanted to be a little untraditional. We got an ice maker, an espresso machine behind me. We have both our Xboxes and stuff. We've added a rug, a shoe rack for our convenience. I have a pair of Carolina blue Nike Dunks that I love to wear, and it makes things very, very convenient and easy to store in a fashionable way. My favorite thing in this dorm is probably the projector we've set up in this very room. We use that projector to broadcast movies along with a JBL speaker, so it really provides almost like a movie theater atmosphere in a very small space. It's really incredible. They talk a lot about Jesuit schools, brotherhood, brotherhood, brotherhood. I think these guys on my floor, I've really built a great connection with them, great friendships, and almost a true brotherhood with some of the guys, especially my roommate. Thanks so much for watching this dorm tour. If you want more info, you can click here.